Assuming that 1/3 of the population is a tea drinker and each of the 1,000 enumerators takes a sample of 8 individuals to find out whether they are tea drinkers or not. You have to find how many enumerators are expected to report that 5 or more people are tea drinkers. So the thing is, if tea drinker is a success, then probability of success is given as 1/3. Probability of success is 1/3, so failure is 2/3. 8 people are tested each by 1,000 enumerators. मतलब हर कोई 8 लोगों को चेक करेगा और ऐसे 1000 लोग हैं. And now here you don't want a probability. You want how many enumerators are expected. So we are interested in expected frequency. That 5 or more people are tea drinkers. So what we'll do, out of 8 people, we'll find out the probability that 5 or more are tea drinkers. We'll find out this probability and then multiply it with 1,000. So as this is binomial, we can find out binomial function for probability. It is 8cx 1/3 raised to x 1/3 raised to 3 n minus 8 minus x. I want probability that x is greater than equal to 5. That will be x is equal to 5 or x is equal to 6 or x is equal to 7 or x is equal to 8. This will be 8c5 1/3 raised to 5 2/3 raised to 3 plus 8c2 1/3 raised to 6 2/3 raised to 2 plus 8c7 1/3 raised to 7 2/3 raised to 1 plus 8c0 sorry 8c8 1/3 raised to 8 2/3 raised to 0. Now 8c5 is nothing but 8c3. We want probability that x is greater than or equal to 5. Actually, we want to find out probability so that we can multiply it with 1,000 and find out number of people or number of enumerators who have found that 5 or more than 5 people are tea drinkers. So we'll find out the probability. That will be 8c5 1/3 raised to 5 2/3 raised to 3 plus 8c6 1/3 raised to 6 2/3 raised to 2. 8c7 1/3 raised to 7 2/3 raised to 1 plus 8c8 1/3 raised to 8 2/3 raised to 0. 8c5 का मतलब होता है 8c3, that is 56. 1/3 raised to 5 is 1/243 into 2/3 raised to 3 is 8/27 plus. What is 8c6? It is 28. So 1/3 raised to 6 is 1/729 into 2/3 raised to 2 is 4/9 plus 8c7 is 8. 1/2187 1/3 raised to 7 and 2/3 raised to 1. 8c8 is 1. 1/3 raised to 8 will be 6/61. Actually सारा डिनोमिनेटर 6/61 ही होने वाला है क्योंकि अल्टीमेटली 3 raised to 8 ही आ रहा है सब. So it will be 448 112 plus 16 plus 4 whole thing upon 6/61. The probability is 577 upon 6/61. So it is 0.087943 whatever. Now this is the probability that the out of 8 people 5 or more are tea drinkers. हमको probability नहीं चाहिए, हमको चाहिए number of enumerators जिनके पास 5 या उससे ज्यादा ड्रिंकर्स है, तो हम लोग 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे एंड विल गेट 87.9 और अप्रोक्सीमेटली इट इज 88, क्योंकि 87.9 एन्यूमरेटर्स तो नहीं हो सकता है ना, 88 एन्यूमरेटर्स हो सकते हैं. Out of 1000, 88 enumerators will report that 5 or more are tea drinkers. If a random variable x follows binomial distribution with mean 5 and satisfying condition 10, p of x is equals to 0 is equals to p of x is equals to 1. What is the value of p of x is greater than equal to 1 when x is greater than 0? Now we have to first find out all the parameters of binomial, then we can do this. Now let us first find out all the parameters. The NP is 5 because mean of binomial is 5. They have given 10, p of x is equals to 0 is p of x is equals to 1. We know binomial function, so we can expand this and it will be 10nc0 p raised to 0 q raised to n is equals to nc1 p raised to 1 q raised to n minus 1. This is 10. nc0 is 1, p raised to 0 is 1, q raised to n is equals to nc1 is n, p into q raised to n minus 1 को हम लोग q raised to n upon q बोल सकते हैं. Q raised to n will get cancelled. 10q is equals to np. np is 5 पहले ही दिया है. So q will become 1 by 2. p will become 1 by 2. If I put value of p in np, I will get n also. n is 10. तो अब मुझे दोनों पैरामीटर्स मिल गए, n भी मिल गया, p भी मिल गया. Now I can find out any binomial. It will be p of x is equals to 1. They have asked us to find out x is equals to 1 when x is greater than 0. This is basically a conditional probability. They are saying that you know that x is greater than 0. आता x is greater than 0 म्हणजे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 च येणार आहे. And you want to find out that x is greater than or equal to 1. By conditional probability, this should be the case. X is greater than equal to 1, intersection x is greater than 0, whole thing upon x is greater than 0. लेकिन अगर आप लॉजिकली देखो तो इसका मतलब क्या है, x is greater than 0, तो ये तो बाइनोमियल है, डिस्क्रीट प्रोबेबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. तो x अगर 0 से ज्यादा होगा तो 1 ही होगा ना, 1, 2, 3, 4 ऐसे ही कुछ होगा. And you want to find out probability that x is equals to 1. So it's simply nothing but probability of x is greater than equal to 1. अब वो निकालनी है तो हम लोग x is equals to 0 की probability निकालेंगे और उसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे कि एटलीस्ट 1 है, तो हम लोग बोलेंगे let it be 0 and the complement of it will be 1 or greater than 1. So probability that x is equals to 0 is 1 upon 1024. आणि त्याचा कॉम्प्लिमेंट काय येईल, 1023 upon 1024. And the answer is 0.9. And the same answer is given to you. Let us go on to the next sum. Out of 128 families with 4 children each, how many are expected to have at least one boy and one girl? Now, probability of having a boy is 1 by 2 and having a girl is 1 by 2. Now, in a family, there are 4 children. And there are 128 such family. If I say getting a boy is success, then probability of success is 1 by 2 and probability of failure is 1 by 2. And you want number of families. वहां पे उन्होंने number of families बोला, इसका मतलब ये expected frequency के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. Having one boy and one girl. So you want probability that x should be in between 1 and 4. Sorry, 1 and 3. Because 1 has to be a girl always. तो एक लड़की होनी चाहिए, एक लड़का होना चाहिए. तो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ सक्सेस जो है, तो मिनिमम आपके पास एक लड़की तो होनी ही चाहिए, और ज्यादा से ज्यादा 3 ही लड़के होने चाहिए, क्योंकि फिर एक लड़की होगी. तो दिस विल बी 4c1 1/2 तो एक ही लड़का है और बाकी की 3 लड़कियां हैं, प्लस 4c2 2 लड़के हैं और बाकी के 2 लड़कियां हैं, और अदरवाइज 4c3 there are 3 boys and 1 is girl. And this case should be continued. I cannot say all 4 are boys. We don't want that case. We don't want all 4 boys or all 4 girls. We want there should be at least, see, the question is at least 1 boy and 1 girl. तो एक लड़का और एक लड़की तो होनी ही चाहिए. तो इधर एक लड़का है, तो केसेस क्या है? एक लड़का, 3 लड़कियां, 2 लड़के, 2 लड़कियां, या 3 लड़के, 1 लड़की, ये चलेगा. So now what is 4c1? It is 4. 1/2 is 1/2 and this is 1/8. So this will become 1/16 plus 4c2 is 6 upon 16 plus 4c3 is again 4 upon 16. Your answer is 14/16. So probability is 0.875. But we don't want probability. We want number of families. So 0.875 multiplied by 128. It will give us the families. Total 112 families will have at least 1 boy and 1 girl. And the answer is given here, 112. In 10 independent ruling of biased dice, the probability that an even number will appear 5 times is twice the probability that even number will appear 4 times. What is the probability that even number will appear twice when the dice is rolled 8 times? अब यहाँ पे उन्होंने स्पेसिफिकली मेंशन किया है कि बायस्ड डायस है. बायस्ड का मतलब ये है कि प्रोबेबिलिटी प्रीडिटरमाइन नहीं है आपकी. अगर अनबायस्ड होता तो इवन नंबर की प्रोबेबिलिटी 1/2 होती और ऑड की 1/2 होती. लेकिन क्योंकि ये बायस्ड है तो यहाँ पे प्रोबेबिलिटी हमको पता नहीं है. तो ये कंसेप्ट पे है. व्हेन वी से अनबायस्ड कॉइन और अनबायस्ड डायस, it means in unbiased coin the probability of head and tail is 0.5 0.5. In unbiased dice probability of every number is 1/6. लेकिन अभी इन्होंने अगर बायस्ड बोल दिया है, इसका मतलब ये डायस ऐसा है कि हर नंबर की प्रोबेबिलिटी सेम नहीं है, पार्शियल है. बायस्ड का एक लोकल मीनिंग है पार्शियल. लेट अस सॉल्व दिस. They have first mentioned that you are throwing dice for 10 times and probability of getting even number 5 times is equal to twice probability of getting even number 4 times. With the help of this, we'll find out P, Q and N. N तो उन्होंने already दिया है. This is 10c5, P raised to 5, Q raised to 5 is equals to 10c4, P raised to 4, Q raised to 6. P raised to 4 and 5 will get cancel. यहाँ पे एक P बच जाएगा. Q raised to 6 और Q raised to 5 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे Q बचेगा. 10c5 is 252 multiplied by P is equals to 2 into 10c4 is 210 multiplied by Q. This is 252P is equals to 420Q. 252P, Q is 1 minus P. So 252P is 420 minus 420P. 420P plus 252P is 420. That is nothing but 672p is equals to 420 when you add them. So P will become 420 by 672, or it is 0.625. Probability of getting an even number is 0.625. So what is the probability of not getting an even number? Q is 0.375. Now we want to find out when the same dice is rolled for 8 times, what is the probability of getting exactly 2 even numbers? मतलब 2 बार even number चाहिए आपको. So this will be 8C2 0.67625 raised to 2, 0.375 raised to 6. Your answer is 0.3040. Sorry, 0.0304. This is your answer, and the answer is given here. Question number 8. If x follows normal with mean 50 and standard deviation 10, what is the value that probability is x is less than 60 when you know that x is greater than 50? So you know that x is greater than 50, but you want to find out that it has to be less than 60. So in short, it should be somewhere in between 50 and 60. आपको तो ये पता है कि वो 50 से बड़ा है, लेकिन वो 60 से कम होना चाहिए, तो वो 50 और 60 के बीच में होना चाहिए. तो in short, for a normal distribution, mean is 50, standard deviation is 10, and you want probability that x is in between 50 and 60. So you will find out z at x is equals to 50. So it is 50 minus 50 upon 10, that will be 0. And then you will find out z at x is equals to 60. That will be 60 minus 50 upon 10. That is 10 by 10 is equals to 1. Now you want area between 50 to, you want probability between 50 to 60. That is nothing but area between z is equals to 0 and z is equals to 1. तो z टेबल तो वैसे ही वही एरिया देता है 0 और 1 के बीच में. तो ये एरिया क्या है? तो 1 की एरिया देखेंगे हम लोग z टेबल में, वो होगी 0.3413. So that is your answer, 0.3413. They have asked you the probability that x is less than 60 when they know that x is greater than 50. When we are talking about x is greater than 50, this is what we are talking about, 0.5 वाली area के बारे में. But when we know that x is greater than 40, we want to find out that x is less than 60. So at x is equals to 60, z is 1. So I want area of when z is less than or equal to 1. So I want actually this area in between 0 and 1. क्योंकि x already 50 से बड़ा है, तो z already 0 से बड़ा है, ये आपको पता है. तो you want area between z is equals to 0 and 1. So this is 0.3413. And I think the answer given in the module is wrong for this question.
मैम न्यू मॉड्यूल में भी यही दिया है.
Question number 9. X is Poisson variate satisfying the following condition. And you have to find the value of x is less than equal to 1. Poisson variate is satisfying the condition. If x is a Poisson variate, then x should have parameter m. और वो तो दिया नहीं है, लेकिन उन्होंने condition दी है is equals to 90 p of x is equals to 6. तो इस कंडीशन से हम लोग m निकालेंगे एंड देन वी विल फाइंड आउट. This is 9. X is equals to 4 will be e raised to minus m raised to 4 upon 4 factorial plus the condition here is plus p of x is equals to 2. This will be plus 9t e raised to minus m raised to 6 upon 6 factorial is equals to e raised to minus m raised to 2 upon 2 factorial. यहाँ से हम लोग क्या कॉमन ले सकते हैं? I can take 9 common from this side, from left hand side. E raised to minus m common, m raised to 4 common upon 4 factorial. ये कॉमन ले सकते हैं क्योंकि यहाँ पे ये सारे, यहाँ पे 9 है, e raised to minus m है, e raised to 4 है, और ये 6 factorial is 6 into 5 into 4 factorial, तो 4 factorial भी है. तो ब्रैकेट में आएगा 1 plus this is 10 m square upon this is 30. And this will be e raised to minus m square upon 2. अब ये e raised to minus m तो कैंसिल हो जाएगा, m square और इधर का एक m square कैंसिल हो जाएगा. So we will get 9 upon 24 m square into 1 plus m square by 3. 10 by 30 n square by 3 is equals to 1 upon 2. So I can write m square 1 plus, or I'll cross multiply 3 plus m square upon 3 is equals to 24 upon 2 into 9. This is 12. 12 by 9 is 4 by 3. This 3 and this 3 will get cancelled. You will get a quadratic equation in something this form. M square 3 plus m square is equals to 4. So 3m square plus m raised to 4 minus 4 is equals to 0. This is m raised to 4 plus 3m square minus 4 is equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation. अगर आपने m square को x बोल दिया, आपको मिलेगा x square plus 3x minus 4 is equals to 0. So this will be x plus 4, x minus 1 is equals to 0. So x is equals to minus 4 and x is equals to 1. x क्या है? m square minus 4, ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता, तो m square हो जाएगा 1, तो m हो जाएगा 1. हम लोग यहाँ पे माइनस लेंगे ही नहीं क्योंकि ये प्रोबेबिलिटी है, यहाँ पे माइनस कुछ नहीं आएगा. नाउ यू वांट टू फाइंड आउट x इज ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 1, so that will be sorry, not x is greater than equal to, they want x is less than equal to 1. We want x is less than equal to 1, that is probability x is equals to 0 or probability x is equals to 1. तो ये होगी e raised to minus 1, 1 raised to 0 upon 0 factorial plus e raised to minus 1, 1 raised to 1 upon 1 factorial. We can find out the answer. So your final answer is 0.7358. I've already told you how to find out e raised to minus 1. E raised to minus 1 is 1 by e, that is 1 divided by 2.7183. So that will be 0.3678. E raised to minus 1 is 0.3678. तो ये होगा 0.3678 प्लस ये भी 0.3678 ही होगा. That will be 0.73575, that is 0.7358.